Good morning, everybody.
Booyah!
Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Look, I got a van. No, it's not down by the river. Not yet. Anyways, but I've never owned a van. She's locked right now, which is good. But look at all this room for activities. Can you guys see in there? Lots of room for activities. I'm gonna work on this just a little bit. She's pretty clean. She's just got high miles. That's all. No big deal. Nothing I haven't seen before. Some woodworking going across the street. I don't know what they're building. Could be a bombshell bunker or something crazy like that. Oh, we finally got the V-band in the mail. Look at that. Look how shiny it is. Thanks to the girlfriend for helping me, because it was kind of a pain in the ass with how the exhaust was sitting. The sled deck was in the back of the Cummins, but that happened from the last video. And it's gonna stay in the back of the Cummins because that is a son of a to put in. So it's gonna stay in there for a little bit and haul the toys. I get that Audi off the dang trailer. Probably put that trailer up for sale because I gotta go down and get my cousin's trailer, the enclosed trailer, and do something with that very soon. And start up Roxy because I haven't started her up in quite a while. And drive her around a little bit. I'm excited to do that too. It looks like the track's gonna be closed tonight because the weather is supposed to be 40-50%, thunder showers, whatever. Okay, so we're just gonna go drive her. I'm gonna hit that barrel. When they do trash day, I literally gotta be careful. So I'll start wiping out garbage cans. So just wanted to kind of give you a little perspective on how sketchy it is driving this truck. Obviously you can't feel the bumps, you can't feel the body moving off the body mounts, and you know, all that good stuff, but should give you a little perspective as to what it feels like. As I've said in pretty much all the Cummins videos, it is fun to drive, but we're gonna go drive the Camaro for a little bit because I really haven't got a lot of street time with the tires that are on it now. So we're gonna do some back roads. There's some nice back roads around this area with the Camaro, and we'll just open her up a little bit, let her breathe, and take it from there. Oh, he's rolling coal. The FedEx truck is rolling coal. Man, he's got that tuned up right. How you doing? Nothing to see here. There's the tire on it. Yep, that just went off. Probably new tires. I'm not sure if they should have TPMS sensors in it, but I'm not sure what they're reading. Tire pressure, yeah, only one is signaling. Not sure why that is. It really gives a rat's ass, to be honest with you. I'm gonna keep it in third gear around there. Just more fun that way. Got some bikers. See if we can get a little skid here. Somebody behind us. Not gonna risk it for the biscuit just yet. Straight away. Bit slippery. Little bit slippery. Oh God, I hope I tighten these lug nuts enough. Such a nice tone around $3 grand. See if she cracks the wheels in first. Gonna be tricky with the motor. It's a hot one. Stay in here, I'll be right back. I'll keep the AC running for you. Okay, I don't know where my dang Easy Pass is, so we're gonna pay cash. Everybody takes cash. Johnny Cash. Okay, yeah, we're good to go. Good to go. Good to go. I'll see you guys in New Hampshire. Okay, so things went south really fast. There's the stand, and there's the motor. My plan was to ramp it, you know, one at a time and just go down to where there's a lip and just cruise it on. But apparently, this leg of the engine stand wasn't bolted at all. So she might have toppled over. So anywho, that's where we're at. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, drag her up. I don't know. I'm lost at this point. I have no idea. Your guess is as good as mine. So just watch. Useless. I don't recommend this. Everybody loads motors, right? I think. Pretty sure. To get oil all over the place too. That's how they load them. I think so. I think that's how they load them. Oh, she's a little bent. She's a wee bit bent now. Alright, donkey. Well, my bed needs to be oil coated anyway, so it kind of works out for everybody. Alright guys, so this is all that's going up tonight. Don't mind the lunch bag, still haven't brought that back from work the other day. This is all LS side, 5.3. This is the 5.3 side. And then over here, you have the more complicated, more scattered Tacoma parts side. Turbos over there, yada yada, alternator. I know, it looks absolutely terrible. It's my nightmare. So wasn't really expecting the motor to go like that. So anyways, we got it all strapped. It's coming back up with us. All is good in the world. Now we got to beat the rain because we got thunder showers on the way. So enough bitching, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm a wet mess, as you can probably tell with the sweat pouring down my face. I usually don't pull motors up ramps every day, and it's something I got to work on. If you guys enjoy the video, please think about going down, hitting the subscribe button, hit that like button, keep it weird, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.